The name with over 60 years of experience. The name with nationwide presence. The name which spells trust. The name is the promise. K Raheja Realty Group now brings to you the finest lifestyle at an address which is a class apart. That is Raheja Residency, Malad East. Malad East, the ultra-modern face of the modern suburbs of Mumbai. The last 2 decades saw tremendous change in Malad's landscape, making it a promising real estate destination. Situated between Goregaon and Kandivali railway station and just 4.5 kilometers away from the Malad station, it is well connected to the rest of the city. Raheja Residency is being developed in 2 phases. Phase 1 is ready to welcome you, while Phase 2 is under development, which also includes a spacious and well-designed clubhouse. You can reach the Western Express Highway in minutes or travel by the upcoming Malad metro station comfortably and conveniently. A little ahead from the Dindoshi bus depot, Raheja Residency is strategically located in the hub of Malad. Malad East is home to esteemed residential projects, and one of the best ones is Raheja Residency, a lifestyle reflected in nature. Raheja Residency is a gated community with innovative facade that looks striking even from a distance. The Vanguard construction is built with rock-solid earthquake-resistant structure. Adjacent to Raheja Heights, as each of the apartment is smartly located next to each other, giving ample breathing area in between 2 elevations. It also prides itself on hosting big corporate offices and business parks. An adjacent public garden developed and maintained by K Raheja Realty that spread across 3 lakh square feet area boasts of attractions like jogging track, lush green lawns, meditation areas, exclusive play areas for children, paved pathways, water bodies with cascading fountains, open amphitheatre and more. Accentuated on the backdrop of the most panoramic view of lush greenery. Shopping, dining and enjoying a movie with the family becomes a frequent phenomenon here, as malls replete with stores, restaurants and entertainment is just a few minutes away. Raheja Residency is replete with all the conveniences and comforts, accentuated on the backdrop of the most panoramic view of lush greenery. Here, your life will be redefined with a lifestyle reflected in nature. Come, live life like never before at Raheja Residency.